How to change your age on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can change your age on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your age on Twitter, all we have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Twitter application from here, and then just make sure that you're signed into your account. And once you've done that, just tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen, and then simply go to this option called Profile. Once you go to Profile, you'll find this option that says Edit Profile. Tap on Edit Profile. Then under that, you'll find your date of birth. So tap on Date of Birth. Then just tap on this particular date of birth. Then tap on Edit. And all you have to do is to change the age. You just have to change your birth here. That would make you over a certain amount of age that you want. Then once you've done that, tap on Continue to save the changes. This way you can go ahead and then change your age on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.